Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix connection error messages in Roblox on Windows 10 and 11. First, let's clear corrupted temporary files. Press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Type %localappdata% and hit Enter. Locate the Roblox folder, open it, and then open the Logs folder. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files inside, right-click, and delete them. Don't worry. These are just temporary cache files. If the error persists, it's a network issue. Search for Control Panel in your Start menu. Set View By to Icons and click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4 for alternate. Then click OK. Now reset your network stack. Search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Type IPConfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. Then type netch-winsock reset and hit Enter. Finally, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, click VPN, and ensure you are disconnected from any active VPNs that might block Roblox servers. Restart your PC and you are ready to play. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.